slightly more tricky question. A positive whole number m less than 100 is represented in base 2, base 3, base 5. In all the three cases, the last digit is 1. So whether you divide by 2 or 3 or 5, the last digit is always 1, right? It's 1 with 2, with 3, and with 5, which means that it will leave remainder 1 even when you divide by 2 into 3 into 5. So it has to leave remainder 1 when you divide by 30, right? Which means straight away we are looking at only two options, 31 and 91. Now the second constraint. In 2 out of the 3 cases, the leading digit is 1. So we'll just check for 31 because it's a smaller number, it's easier to check. If 31 works, great, we'll mark that, otherwise we'll mark 91. So let's write 31 in base 2, base 3, base 5. But wait, in base 2, since the digits are only 0 and 1, your leading digit has to be 1. There's no choice there. So we'll just check for base 3 and base 5. So if I write 31 in base 3, 31 is nothing but 27 plus 3 plus 1, right? Which means 27,000 x cube, right? There's no square, so 0. The number is 1011 in base 3. If I now look at base 5, then 31 can be written as 25 plus 5 plus 1, which is nothing but 111. So in base 3 and base 5, it begins with 1. And as we said, in base 2, it has to begin with 1. So in 31, all three cases, the leading digit is 1. That's not your answer. Your answer has to be 91. Before we move away, let's just convert 91 into base 3 and base 5 so that we become more comfortable with bases. So if I write down 91, right? 91 is nothing but 81 plus 9 plus 1. 81 is 3 raised to 4, so that's 10,000. No cube, square, no 3. This is the number in base 3. If I write 91 in base 5, that will be 75 plus 15 plus 1. 75 is 3 into 5 square, so that's 3, and then 3 into 5 and 1. So as you can see, in base 5, the leading digit is 3, and hence the answer is option 4. Right? But you don't need to do this. Once you know 31 is not the answer has to be 91. See you for the next question.